Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to unpair and reset your OnePlus Watch 4 from the OHealth app. There are two methods of doing that, and one of them is directly on the watch, and it's a better method because it resets everything. There's also a remote method that you can do through the app. I'll show you both of them, but the remote one, the one from the app, actually requires you to enter the lock screen that you had on your watch previously, so the one that you currently have if you haven't reset your watch yet. That lock screen, you will need to enter it at some point during the setup after it's reset, so that it knows it wasn't reset by someone else and it's not stolen. Because if it's stolen and reset, it does the same thing. It just asks for the previous pattern. If you don't remember the pattern though, I think that this method, the remote one, will be better, because once it asks you for the pattern during the setup, you can also slide down and select Use My Google account instead, which lets you sign into your Google account to be able to set up the watch instead of entering the pattern. So if you don't remember the pattern, that will be the better option. But in most cases, it's better to do it directly on the watch, because then you can sell the watch. And if someone buys it, they won't have a problem with needing to enter the previously entered pattern or numerical code to unlock the watch. So let's see both methods. The remote one, the one that is less recommended by me, is in the app. If you go to Device, then More, and scroll all the way down and click on Unpair, and that's it. All you need to do. But now let's go to the watch and let's try to do it there. So I'll unlock the watch, go to the apps by pressing on the crown, and click on the settings. Now scroll all the way down. You can see I'm already there, and click on Other. Scroll all the way down and click on Disconnect and Reset. Now approve and enter the pattern. And you can see it is resetting. So now if I want to set it up, I won't have any issues. But if I had done it with the app, then during the setup it would ask me for that pin or pattern that was previously there, which I think is just inconvenient, especially if you want to sell your device. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.